Day one. Okay. As you may have seen my other video, you should subscribe because I'm going to be making videos of these tourette birds inside of the Juice Man and the Gucci Mane. They made the song A? I think it sounds like birds who have Tourette's who are dressed in man clothes. It's just freaking me out. Now, I showed you in my other video that I have a 12-gauge shotgun, and Tourette's bird took it. They took the gun! I'm weaponless. I don't have a weapon to wield, weld. I don't know the word, but it means to hold, okay? All I have is a string. This thick, light green shoelace that I didn't use. I don't know if it can stop a bird, but it better. Because these birds have Tourette's. I can't deal with that. So scared. Ah! They attacked me. But nothing much has changed since my other video. Like, I mean, my parents left the house, and my sister got back from dinner, so nothing else has changed. I ate some soup in between these videos, and it was really good. I had tomato soup, and I ate it with bread, and it was hot. So, I don't know if the birds had something to do with it, but they might have. I think they've gotten into the gas line. We don't have gas stoves, apparently. We have electronic stoves now. What are these robots doing? Oh my god. The birds! It was the birds! Alright, well, anyways, hope you guys are okay because of these silly Tourette birds. Alright, see you tomorrow in my next Tourette bird video for the juicman, man, Gucci man, or I mean Gucci Mane. Have a nice day. I'm really cold. If anyone has a blanket that you'd let me borrow.